Want to keep your Mega files with you wherever you go. The Mega Android app lets you access cloud storage, upload photos and files, download content, share links, and manage your account right from your phone. In this guide, I'll show you the essentials. Let's get started. First, install the official Mega app from Google Play and open it. Sign in with your Mega account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, use the Sign Up option to create one. Once you're signed in, your cloud files will be available from the app. After signing in, you'll see your cloud storage and folders. Tap a folder to open it, then select Files to preview, manage, or download them. Use the navigation and search features when you need to find something quickly. Keeping your folders organized makes mobile access much easier. To upload something, use the app's Upload or Add option and choose the type of content you want to send to Mega. You can upload files from your phone and, depending on the app permissions and settings, backup photos or other media. Select your destination folder and let the upload finish. When you need a cloud file on your phone, select it and choose the Download option. Depending on the file type, you can save it locally or open it with a compatible Android app. For larger files, keep the app connected to a stable internet connection while the download runs. Sharing is simple too. Select a file or folder, open the sharing options, and create or copy a share link if available. You can then send it through your messaging or email app. Always double-check the file and sharing permissions before sending anything sensitive. For files you need without an internet connection, use Mega's available offline options when supported. You can also open the app settings to review notifications, storage behavior, camera or media permissions, and account preferences. So take a minute to adjust these settings to match how you use Mega, and that's how to use Mega on Android. Sign in, browse your cloud files, upload content, download what you need, share files carefully, and use offline access when it makes sense. Once you know where everything is, managing your cloud storage from your phone is pretty easy, nice and simple.